So
Hmm.
then I was eating it, and they were eating auntie.
Oh God.
And
Hmm.
look it. And so I driving the rocket, and this is not working.
Uh-oh.
And he has to go somewhere. Then there was a mud flying on him, and it was funny. And what happened to him? And there was a cat. Cat was eating him, and he was crying. Then I just
Uh-oh. Then?
And he was doing. George was trying to do juggling. He was doing juggling. Look, 5 years.
Then?
And then there was a duck. Ducks were eating, and they were pulling ducks. I'll show another one now. What I could do this.
Then what happened?
Then there was a bubbling duck, and he was going to eat it.
Oh my gosh. Then?
And
Slowly. Yeah. Then?
they were finished.
And they were happy?
No, they're not happy.
Then?